Where is she? But I mean, on a mission, would it be pretty obvious what the dog is trying to tell you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Bussy, come on. You can give me your jump, and we'll go over and explore. I don't want him to get hurt. Well, show me!
We'll kick it up there.
Yeah. Well, Sabo.
Yeah, so I guess that's not a fair fit.
Did you find her? I think I see her. Yes. Oh, here, touch this. Wow, good boy, Bussy. Let's go down and have a hockey talk. Let's go. Let's go, good dog.
Good boy.
Yes. Let's go. Good boy.
They came up this way.
I did, and then it fell down there.
Let's go. Here, I'm going to throw you a hockey doggy. Hockey doggy. Let's see.